Hey Tiffany, sorry it's very early. I was just taking a drink of my coffee, and you can probably hear my son's cartoon in the background. But so I had the same issue that you emailed me about yesterday with another student, and it so happened that they could see their writing when they went to their posts. So let me change my websites. This is my one I did for my class, and I have a ton of writing with it. It's just more confusing. Okay, yep. Okay, so we'll go to this one. So when they went to their posts and they opened it up, they could see their writing in it. But then when they went to actually, we need to click on visual. When they went to actually preview changes, they couldn't. And it's because their font size, or their font color, I'm sorry, again, it's early, was set to white. So what happened is that when they went to publish it, the font was white and the background was white. So let's see if that's your issue as well. So what we're going to do is go over here to Appearance, and you already have your theme set, but let's go to Customize, and then go to this Colors option. And then when it says Body Text right here, make sure that that color isn't white. All right, so like I have my site title white, but that's because it's in front of, I took a picture of like my board, so you can see it. But if your body text is white, then when you publish it, you're not going to be able to see it. So I think, and I'm not too worried about your picture being big. I can look past that. That's not a big deal. I just want to be able to read what you wrote. So make sure that this is a color, like black or gray or blue or whatever. So again, I just went to Themes on my dashboard. Or, I'm sorry, I went to Appearance on my dashboard. I went to Customize. And then once it got there, I went to Colors. And then I did Body Text and make sure that's a color. That was an issue for a student I had yesterday. And it took us like an hour and a half to figure out. So hopefully that will work for you. I hope everything's going well. I hope you're not too stressed about your distance learning. You're a very, very smart girl, so I would not stress too much about being prepared for next year for you. I think you're going to do great. So just kind of enjoy this learning at this time, and don't get too stressed. But as always, email me whenever you have questions.